Our Monday has been a very hot and humid day around the coastal Empire and Low Country, a continuation of what we experienced over the weekend. But one thing that's been different for today is we don't have the thunderstorms to cool us off like we did yesterday and even on Saturday. But here's a hazy view overlooking the Savannah River and the Cockspur Island Lighthouse. Temperature-wise, we made it into the upper 90s. 99 was the high for us here in the city. Normally, we should be in the lower 90s already in the back end of summer where that average high temperature starts to drop off, but over the next few days it's going to be doing anything but dropping off. It's going to remain very hot. In fact, record high temperatures are possible for the next couple of afternoons. Right now, still sitting at 100 degrees for Richmond Hill, 98 for us here in Savannah, west of 95. Just about everyone is in at least in the lower to middle 90s, but a lot of locations south of 16 in the upper 90s. Still feeling like 115 degrees out on Hilton Head, so that heat is going to be an issue for the next few hours, and that heat will again be an issue for tomorrow and the next few days where we will have weather wear days in place. But Viper radar, with that sunshine that we saw along the Savannah River, we have a clear view. There's a little bit of smoke getting pushed off of the coast from that fire at the over the wildlife refuge, but that will not be extinguished anytime soon because of mainly dry conditions over the next few days. But we do have an extreme heat warning in place for our coastal counties for tomorrow. Heat index values approaching 115 degrees or more west of 95. Still very hot, dangerous heat in the forecast for the next few days. And on Wednesday, perhaps even feeling hotter with peak heat index values approaching 115 or more. 110 for Thursday and Friday. And then over the weekend, still feeling very hot, but we will have slightly cooler afternoon high temperatures because a system will bring us the potential for some showers and storms Saturday, Sunday, and into the early part of next week. But until then, high pressure that's been sitting over the northern Gulf stays in place. That sinking air will help us really heat up into the triple digits for a lot of locations, and that flow from the west with that air originating off of the Gulf is what will make it feel even hotter for us, so the very hot pattern will continue. But for the weekend, mid-90s expected with those scattered shower and storm chances making a return, and with highs in the mid-90s, we will have to watch out for the potential for a few strong and severe storms. For tonight, 79 for the low temperature, some spots toward the coast staying in the lower 80s. Tybee Island and Hilton Head would have the best chance for that. And then for tomorrow, more dangerous heat in the forecast, upper 90s to about 100 degrees for several spots, which would tie the record for us here in Savannah. If that does come to fruition, we will likely at least tie the record high for Wednesday as well. For the boaters, southerly wind in the afternoon, giving us winds up to around 10 to 15 knots. As far as the seas, not too bad. Just keep an eye to the sky for a few isolated afternoon showers and storms, but the heat is the main issue for the next couple of afternoons. Weather aware for Tuesday and Wednesday, likely upgrading Thursday as we look ahead to the hot conditions sticking around, but those storm chances increasing for the weekend. That will cool us off by at least a few degrees.
I mean, I think we'll feel that. If it's
it will
low
be noticeable.
90s,
yeah.
Nice. All right, thank you.
Coming up in